Hello, is Stephen Bell here?
I'm sorry?
Is Stephen Bell here?
Who are you?
I'm Deputy Meyer at the Cheyenne County Sheriff's Office.
For what?
I got a paper for him.
A paper? What kind of paper?
It's a protection order paper. Is Stephen here?
Let me go look. Hold on.
Okay. Hello, are you Stephen?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, well, I need to know your name.
Oh,
Are you Stephen Bell?
Have I committed a crime?
I'm here to serve you a paper, Stephen.
But have I committed a crime? I don't have to identify unless I've committed a crime.
All I need to know is if you're Stephen Bell so I can serve you this paper.
All I have to know is have I committed a crime?
Just yes or no. Are you Stephen Bell?
Can you get me a lawyer so I can discuss that with a lawyer?
You don't need a lawyer.
I'm pleading my fifth.
Okay.
Have I committed a crime to have to ID?
I never said you committed a crime.
Well, I'm asking, though. You're asking
I'm here
me...
to serve you a paper.
Correct. I understand that. But what I'm asking...
I never said you committed a crime.
But do I have to ID unless I've committed a crime? Is my question to you.
If you don't want to ID yourself, you don't have to ID yourself. Okay. That's fine. But I do have to go over this with you. Alright, the court upon review of the petition and affidavit finds that the petitioner have stated facts showing that the respondent engaged in a knowing and willful course of conduct directed at a specific person which seriously terrifies, threatens, or intimidates the person and which serves no legitimate purpose. It is ordered unless otherwise dismissed or modified by court. By order of the court, a harassment protection order against the respondent is granted. The protection order is for a period of at least 1 year and no more than 2 years from the date of this order unless dismissed or modified by the court. This harassment protection order is valid beginning on today's date, December 19th, 2025, and ending on December 19th, 2026. The petitioner/protected parties are granted the following relief. The respondent must not impose or restraint upon the person or liberty of the petitioner/protected parties. The respondent must not harass, threaten, assault, molest, attack, or otherwise disturb the peace of the petitioner/protected parties. The respondent must not telephone, contact, or otherwise communicate with the petitioner/protected parties. The respondent may appear and explain the reason why this order should not remain in effect for the period listed on this harassment protection order or renewal of the harassment protection order. If the respondent wishes to appear, the respondent must enter their current address, telephone number, and a signature on the request for hearing form provided. The respondent must return the form to the clerk of the district court within 10 business days. So that's going to start on Monday, right? So Monday through Friday, and then the following Monday through Friday. Those 10 days. Saturday and Sunday don't count. Does that make sense?
Say it one more time.
Okay, so Saturday and Sunday don't count as business days for the court.
It's all right. I'm hard of hearing, so I'm trying to...
It's going to be Monday through Friday next week, and then the following week, Monday through Friday. Those 10 days, you need to decide if you're going to petition
now,
this,
Christmas
okay?
is in there somewhere, too, so does that not count as well?
Yeah, Christmas and Christmas Eve, we will be closed.
Any holiday.
So, yeah, so any holidays, that won't count. So it'll move back 2 more days. And then if New Year's falls on that, then it'll move back another couple days.
Correct. Yeah.
So, if anything, if you need more time or whatever, and you know you're getting close, just call them and let them know. Okay. So this order shall remain in effect during the time prior to the hearing. Costs are waived unless otherwise ordered by the court. A copy of this order and a copy of the petition and affidavit will be served on the respondent by the sheriff or their designated respondent. Let's see here. Words or terms to know. Course of conduct is a pattern or acts behavior over a period of time. It has been more than one time that the act's behavior have happened. It does not have to be a long time between the act's behavior happening. These acts behavior may include following: detaining, restraining the person liberty of the petitioner or protected parties, stalking, telephoning, contacting, and or communicating with the petitioner / protected parties in any other way.
How many protected parties are on here? You haven't said that yet?
Yeah, I'm getting to it. I skipped it on the front page because your sticky note was there. There's going to be Julie Hayes, the protected party on this, so
Okay.
1. Okay?
Okay, so I'll let you finish on a couple questions.
That's alright. I'm just going to double check and make sure there's nothing else I need to give you right off
And
the
what-
bat.
I don't know, didn't get your name and badge number. What is that?
I'm Deputy Meyer at the Cheyenne County Sheriff's Office, badge number 9396.
Okay. And I will let you know I am Stephen Bell because you're serving this upon me. So, I mean, I'm not required to ID or anything, but I will tell you that's who I am.
So the rest of this you can read on your own. I don't need to read any of that for you. The rest of it's just what she filled out.
Okay. I read your lights in my eyes, so I'm trying to.
Okay.
I read lips. So.
Okay.
Is that not for me?
No, this is for me. Do you guys have any other questions for me?
So am I not allowed to call the village office to conduct business?
There's going to be terms on that when you guys go to court. That's going to be something you're going to have to discuss. I would wait until after you initiate a court date.
Right, because once my rights have been violated, I don't really have a recourse other than to go to court, right?
I mean,
my rights are like, this is a public person. I went in to conduct business,
Okay.
and now I'm being, a harassment order is being because I was trying to conduct public business.
Then
So
talk
I
with.
can't conduct, but I'm asking you because you're the one serving this.
Okay, yes.
Can
So,
I not
like I just said,
you don't have to raise your voice.
like I just said, I would wait until after court. Because if you violate the protection order, you're going to go to jail. That's how it's going to work. So
And that's why I'm asking.
Okay,
I'm not allowed in a public building is what I'm asking.
What I am
you.
saying is I would wait until after court. I would bring it up with the district judge, discuss that part of the protection order with him, and then go from there. So until you have court, I would not go there. I would not call there.
Is there a reason why you have like this hostile attitude?
Because you've asked me the same question 3 times, and I've given you the same answer
So
3
because I'm
times.
disabled, you're upset
You
with me.
did not tell me you are disabled.
Okay.
You are not listening to what I'm telling you, and you keep
I'm
asking me
listening.
repeated questions.
Am I not allowed to ask
Is there
questions?
anything else you need from me tonight?
Is there anything you need from me?
I do not need anything
You
from
have
you.
the most wonderful night.
Thank you, Stephen. You have a great night.
Oh, I will.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I mean, how could I not once you just violated my rights? Right?
How did I violate your rights, Stephen?
This is all violating my rights.
No, it's not.
Okay.
You can bring that up in court as well, Stephen. Okay, good job. Nine 396 Cheyenne County.
Go ahead.
1098 10-8 paper served. Can you give us case number?
Case number 6181 6181.
Cheyenne County Sheriff's Office. This is Michelle. Please hold.
Okay.
Thank you for holding. This is Michelle. How can I help you?
Yes, I would like to talk to, if Adam Ferrick is available, I'd like to speak with him.
Okay, he's not. I'll have a
Okay.
deputy though.
Okay, I'm calling about a protection order that was issued on Friday, I believe, and it included to have the guns removed from this individual. And I was just told that someone called and said, and it was on the protection order that they would remove them, that he didn't do it, that it wasn't done.
Okay.
So I don't quite understand what's going on.
Okay, hold on.
Thank you.
Deputy Falcon.
Hi, my name is Glenda Shelmore, and I live in, excuse me, I live in Lodgepole, and there was a protection order issued on Friday against Stephen Bell on behalf of Julie Griff. And part of that protection order was that he would not be in possession of any guns. And
Okay.
we have a mess here in Lodgepole, I'm sure you know that. So we have the chairwoman told, I don't know who she told, that she called and had that part of the protection order removed, that he could keep his guns. And
Okay.
I'm just calling to see if that's true, what the heck is going on, especially if it was in the protection order. And he's bragging around town, I don't know if it's true, that he has 8K, whatever they are, right by his front door. I mean, he's really kind of going off right now. And I'm afraid for my safety because he's mad at me as well. He has not yelled at me, but he's done things on Facebook. So he's got a grudge against several people in this town, and I'm really concerned,
Okay.
especially if he's got his guns.
Who is the petitioner on the protection order?
Julie Griff.
Griff. Okay.
And Griff, and she's not even going to come to work today. She's our town clerk. We're
Okay.
afraid to open our library.
Okay. Let me do some looking. I'll go and see if I can pull that protection order up and see what exactly it says. And we will go from there. Is this a good number? 303-828-4147?
Yes, sir, it is. All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I will, as soon as I get that, I will give you a call back and see what's going on exactly. Okay.
I appreciate that. Thank
Hello? Ma'am, you still there? Hello?
Good. Hey, so we received a phone call this morning in reference to some rumors that are going around in town. And again, I stress the rumors that are going around Lodgepole, that you were claiming to still have a weapon by your front door. Okay? Whether
claiming to have what?
a weapon by your front door.
A weapon by my front door.
Yes, sir. So I just wanted to call and talk to you in reference to the protection order that was just served Friday.
It's not a protection; it's a harassment order.
Okay. The order states in there that you are not supposed to possess, accept any weapons.
Okay.
Okay. So I just wanted to make sure that you understood that because that order was issued to you Friday, that you are not, until you either get it dismissed or it is amended somehow, you are not allowed to possess any firearms and have them in your home. Okay. I don't know if Deputy Meyer told you that when he talked to you.
Never did.
Okay, so if you go back on there, and it should be, I want to say on the second or third page, it states under there, and it gives you the state statute and everything on there. So go through that and read that. Okay.
Yeah. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, go ahead.
I mean, rumors are rumors. Nobody's ever been in my home.
Right, and that's why I said it is just a rumor, and that's why I'm calling you to let you know that this is what is being said, right? I'm not by any means saying that, you know what I mean, this is true. That's why, again, I said a rumor. But if for some reason you still do have weapons in your possession, you need to make sure that you get rid of those or give them to somebody that can hold them until that protection order is, like I said, either dismissed or went through its entirety. Okay,
I got a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Just a question on this. Does that violate my wife's rights too?
What do you
Like,
mean?
is she also not allowed to have a weapon?
She can possess them. She just can't possess them in the house that you are in.
Okay.
Okay, she can have them as long as. Does that make sense? Like,
I mean, it does. I understand what you're saying. It doesn't
Right.
make what it doesn't make sense to me is it's a violation. I mean, nothing's been proven. This is an ex parte order, and nothing's been proven. It just kind of seems like it's a violation of my Second Amendment. But not even like I understand what I got served with, and I get that.
right.
What doesn't make sense to me is you're also taking the rights away for somebody else, and there's nothing been proven. There's been no proof of anything. This is an ex parte order, and until there's show cause, like there's not been any proof that anything's actually happened for my wife to be violated. I mean, I get mine, but my wife lives in the same house, and it's kind of violating her constitutional right if she chose to have a weapon. You know what I'm saying?
I see what you're
How does
saying.
that work? If she has a personal protection weapon and wants to keep it on her person because of everything that's going on, does that violate her rights? I just want to know what her rights are when she's with me.
So you are not supposed to possess. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I guess I will talk to the sheriff and see, and just to make sure that you know what I mean, that how things are supposed to be laid out. You know what I mean?
Right.
If it is allowed that she has, if she has,
And I'm not saying she does. I'm not saying she does.
I know.
I just
Hypothetically,
want the clarification,
right?
to know what's going on.
Right.
And I'm not like you guys. I've had a good rapport with you. I'm not trying to be dicks with you. Like I feel like my rights were violated by your officers. Especially when I moved to the sidewalk. But I mean, I get the whole order. I get all that. I feel like because I'm exposing corruption that now my rights are being violated. Like some of my very important rights are being violated, and not just mine, but my wife's because of this. And
Gotcha.
it puts me in a position where I feel like I'm not safe and I'm not secure in my persons because of the things that have come at me. Like I don't call you guys. I don't call when I'm threatened. I don't call because I don't trust you guys.
Fair enough.
Point blank. I don't trust cops. I mean, what happened the other day was wrong. So my whole deal is how do I protect how does my wife protect herself even if she's with me or around me for her own protection, or even protects me because I can't protect myself? Can she not have a personal protection because I have something? That's just kind of my deal.
Right. No, I
Nobody's
understand
ever
what
been
you're
in my
saying.
house. I don't have and I will just straight tell you, I don't have a gun at my front door. That's just crazy.
All right. Again, like I said, it was a rumor that was. You know what I mean?
Right, because people are trying to go after me for shit, and that's just crazy, dude. I've never been threatening to nobody.
Right.
And it's just the rumors are just crazy to me.
Right. And the reason for this call is simply so that if you did not know, now you know. You know what I mean?
Right.
So
right. And I did it, and he did not explain that. He was real nervous. He was real. I mean, I straight up asked him, do I have to ID? Are you IDing me? Am I committing a crime? And he was all flustered from the beginning, so he didn't even, at the very beginning, didn't even read me the whole first page of that.
Okay.
Because I had to ask him, like, who's this even for? Oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot this sticky note was on it and I didn't even read this. So he did not complete and read his whole deal. So I was not aware of that.
Okay.
I've not been aware of it.
So I would suggest reading that through its entirety. Okay.
Yeah.
So
And I'm actually filing my deal today.
Okay, and I was gonna bring that up here shortly. You should, on the back of it, there should have been an appeal. Make sure you get that turned in so that you can have your voice in court. So.
Yeah. So you're calling me about this, yet I called the other day and talked to Jim about filing a formal complaint about the officer kicking me off the sidewalk.
Okay. I don't know anything about that, so.
Oh yeah, I was just asking, do you know anything about that? Are you taking that too? Because supposedly the sheriff's supposed to be calling for me to file a formal complaint about that.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know anything about that. I can ask the sheriff and what's going on with that, and then have him reach out to you if that works.
Yeah, I mean, that's exactly what I want. I want to
Okay.
file a formal complaint for a violation of my rights to leave a public sidewalk.
Okay, I will. I'm just getting back to the office. I will have him give you a call as soon as he's available.
So can I ask who are these rumors coming from? Because I'm assuming you guys are getting phone calls saying he's got guns, he's got whatever.
That
So,
I cannot tell you at
Who
this
are making
time.
these false accusations? To me, that's false reporting.
So the call came in that that there is a rumor going around Lodgepole. I asked where this rumor started, and they were not able to tell me, or they did not disclose that information to me when I asked them.
Now this doesn't include a pellet gun, right? This is just a firearm. What's considered a firearm, correct?
Right.
Right. Yeah. I have a pellet gun by a door,
Okay.
but I do not have a firearm.
Gotcha.
But I do have a pellet gun for skunks, goons, whatever that's coming up into my yard. I do not have a firearm.
Okay. All right. I mean, again, Stephen, it was called in as a rumor.
It's rumors. It's bullshit because people are coming. And this is what's happened. This is why I quit the village, and this is why all this is going down.
Gotcha.
Like, I'm tired of it. I've been quiet this whole time.
Right.
I've gotten all my ducks in a row. I have all the paperwork that they've given me so far to prove corruption. So this is crazy that rumors are getting me a phone call for, I mean, quite frankly, something that your deputy neglected to do.
Right.
So
I mean,
that's none of this can be on me in the point. I mean, now that I know, I'm aware, I can take care of situations. But now it's like, if I had a firearm, how do I get it out of my house?
Well, your wife could do that
How do I
for
get
you.
it out of my, I don't want to go touch it. I don't want to move it because
Right.
you guys are already looking at me for something. You're already looking to get me for something.
And your wife or your father or mother, they can all take possession of them. Okay.
Well, my wife can't take possession if she lives in my home.
Well, and like I told you, I was going to find out and see what, you know what I mean? Because if she has a safe and you don't have access to that safe, is that considered, you know what I mean?
I've been down this road with the police department when I sued them. So I've been down this road. I get it.
Okay.
I'm just like, rumors going to go get you guys a search warrant to come kick my door in and disrupt my whole life?
No, I will tell you, Stephen, that I do not have any plans of getting a search warrant.
So
Okay.
I will rectify in any situation. I'll tell you, I will rectify any situation that needs to be rectified. This is all bullshit, but I'll let people violate. And it's not you guys. It's not the courts. I understand it, but to me, this is the falseness of all this is violation of my rights. This is wrong. I mean, even if it doesn't violate my rights, it's wrong.
I understand.
But whatever. I will rectify whatever I have to rectify. I would hope that rumors, because I've had rumors get into my phone before, where the sheriff's department got into my phone because of rumors. And I'm just not, like, I don't play those games. I'm not even after you guys. Like, I don't even want to fuck with you guys. I promise you.
And I'm not trying to either. You know what I mean? Like I said, this was just a courtesy call. You know what I mean? Like this was brought to our attention, and I just wanted to make sure that you were aware of what the document was saying if you had not been advised of it. You know what I mean?
Right. Which I was not, and I appreciate, and I do appreciate. I want to tell you, I do appreciate. Thank you very much. I do want to know who made that claim, though. So that call did come in.
It did, yes.
Okay, so I mean, if you're not gonna tell me, I'll just FOIA the call.
If that's what you want to do, I won't disclose it at this time.
Did it come into you?
It came into the office.
But were you the deputy that took the phone call?
Yes.
Okay. I just need to know where I need to put the FOIA in at.
Okay.
FOIA to you that you received the phone call, and I'm sure it was cameraed. So I'll I'll get all that and find out who's spreading rumors, because that's not right.
All right.
So appreciate that.
All right, Steven. Well, have a good day, man. I appreciate you talking
Yeah,
to me.
you too. Hey, no problem. I don't have no problem talking.
I get it.
Like, I'm not. Everyone thinks that I'm this asshole motherfucker, and I'm really not. Like, I'm not anything until you violate my rights or you are wrong to me.
No, I'm thanking you because you didn't have to answer the phone and talk to me. So I thank you for, you know what I mean. I don't think you're an asshole. I don't think you're anything like that. I mean, like you said, we've had good rapport throughout the years, and you know what I mean. So.
Mm-hmm. No, and yes, I am going to do a show cause. I'm doing a
good
hearing. So
okay,
I'm taking care of all that. So I appreciate it.
All right, sir. Well, have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Bye.